What is the shadowing technique?
Shadowing is a language learning method where you listen to native speech and immediately repeat it aloud, closely mimicking pronunciation and intonation. This technique trains your ear and mouth to work together, helping you sound more natural and fluent. Many language learners use shadowing to quickly improve their speaking skills and boost confidence.
Choosing the right speech app.
Select a language app that offers high-quality audio samples spoken by native speakers. Popular choices like Duolingo, Rosetta Stone, and HelloTalk have features for listening and repeating. Look for options that let you replay phrases, slow down speech, and provide transcripts. These tools make it easy to practice shadowing at your own pace.
Setting up your practice space.
Find a quiet place where you can speak freely and without distractions. Use headphones to clearly hear every word and nuance. Open your chosen speech app and select lessons or dialogues that match your current level. Position your device comfortably so you can listen and repeat quickly. A distraction-free environment makes practice more effective.
Step-by-step, shadowing with your app.
Play a short audio clip in your app. Listen carefully, then immediately repeat what you hear, matching pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation as closely as possible. Replay the clip if needed. Some apps allow you to record your voice for direct comparison. Repeat this process several times, gradually increasing speed and accuracy as you grow more comfortable.
Tips for rapid improvement.
Practice daily for short, focused sessions. Consistency is key. Choose a variety of topics to expand your vocabulary and accent range. Record yourself and listen for mistakes. Slow down difficult phrases, then speed up as you improve. Don't worry about small errors. Corrections will come with time. Soon you'll notice your pronunciation becoming clearer and more confident.